In this video, we'll take a quick tour of the WordPress dashboard, which provides access to all the site management tools for your website. To access the WordPress dashboard and begin managing your site's content, you can simply type wp-admin at the end of your website's URL to pull up the login screen. Enter your username and password, then click the Login button. The dashboard is the first screen you'll see when you've successfully logged into WordPress. Each screen in the administration area contains 3 sections: a toolbar across the top of the page, the main navigation menu on the left-hand side, and the main work area. At the top of the dashboard is the toolbar, which contains links to the most commonly used administrative functions. Hovering over your site's name reveals a link to visit the public view of your site. And when you're logged in, the toolbar remains across the top of your site while you browse, enabling you to quickly customize your site or create new content at any time. Hover over the site name again to return to the dashboard or the other panels in the administration area. The toolbar also displays simple notifications, or if there are new comments to approve. And you'll find quick links to create a new post, upload media files, add a new page, or create a user. On the right-hand side of the toolbar, you'll find links to edit your profile or log out. It's a good idea to visit your profile right away and set up your personal preferences. If you like, you can enable keyboard shortcuts for moderating comments, and you can choose to hide the toolbar while you're viewing the front end of your site. Be sure to complete your name and contact information and enter a brief description about yourself. You can also change your profile picture, which will appear next to your name throughout the site. It's always a good idea to generate a strong password to keep your site secure. WordPress will even generate a secure password for you. And speaking of security, if you've logged into your WordPress site from another computer or mobile device, this button will log out any other sessions besides the one you're currently using. To return to the dashboard at any time, simply click the dashboard link at the top of the main navigation menu. Just below your username in the toolbar, the Screen Options tab allows you to customize your dashboard, choosing which boxes are displayed in the work area. You can completely hide boxes that you don't plan to use by simply unchecking the box next to each item. And of course, you can re-enable these at any time. On the left-hand side of the screen is the main navigation menu, which contains links to all of the administrative screens in WordPress. Hovering over a menu item displays the submenu, which contains additional options. If you need more screen space, you can collapse the entire menu into just a strip of icons. When the menu is minimized like this, you can still access the submenus by simply hovering over each icon. If you like, you can rearrange the boxes that appear in the main work area. Click anywhere in the title bar of a box, and then drag that box to a new location on the page. Release your mouse button when you see a gray dotted outline in the location where you want the box to appear. This enables you to completely personalize your dashboard so that it works best for you. The boxes can also be minimized by clicking anywhere within the title bar itself or by clicking the arrow in the top right corner. Now that you're familiar with the dashboard, let's move on to the next video where we'll talk primary forms of content in WordPress: posts,